I'm installing a new sink in the bathroom. This here is going here. And I'm going to have a marble, a black marble piece cover this. And I have to drill holes in the marble for the new drain, the new drain pipe that's going to go down through. Also, I have to enlarge this hole here to receive this spigot. So, to start the holes, I'm going to have to use this. It fits in a drill. I'm going to have to enlarge this hole right here. And then to widen the hole to accommodate the drain, I'm going to have to use this, which will go on the angle grinder. And so between those two items, those two hole drilling items, I hope to drill a hole in the granite. This sink is going to come out, be out of the way. And so these tools are just really necessary for this project.